Weather or climate, they are not the same thing. Can you guess which is which? Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will get updated with my uploads, videos, and live streams. Today, we are going to talk about weather and climate. So join me as we are going to start with our geography class. For your starter activity, name the weather symbols. Pause the video and write your answers. Time is up, so here are the answers. First symbol, we got stormy, then rainy, sunny spells, sunny, cloudy, and snowy. Did you get all the correct answers? If not, stay tuned. Today's learning objective to identify the weather and climate of a country. Weather or climate, they are not the same thing. Can you guess which is which? Now you have to pause the video and think for your answer. Time is up. First, describe the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere. It can change quickly. One day it can be dry and sunny, and the next day it may rain. You're right. The answer is weather. For the second one, it describes the average weather conditions over longer periods and over large areas. This represents the climate. What are the keywords that you used in order to identify weather or climate? You're right. Weather, it says, it changed quickly, while climate says it is the condition over longer periods and large areas. Well done. So what is weather? Weather is the day-to-day conditions of the particular place. In a particular place, just like in a few country or in other country, they may experience different weather in a day. While walking in a sunny day, all of a sudden after an hour, it rained. And then it turns sunny again. And then it will become windy and cloudy. These are called the weather conditions. So how do we measure the weather? Weather is measured by the people called meteorologists. So what types of things make up the weather? These are temperature, precipitation, wind speed and direction, cloud cover and visibility, air pressure, humidity, and sunshine. Precipitation is the moisture that falls from the sky. These may be a rain, a snow, hail, or a sleet. Visibility is how far you can see, while humidity is how much moisture is in the air. What are the instruments and the unit of measurement for weather? For example, temperature, it is measured by thermometer in Celsius and centigrade. What about for precipitation, the wind speed and direction, cloud cover and visibility, air pressure, humidity, and sunshine? You have 5 minutes to think for your answer. So here are the answers. For precipitation, we got rain gauge, it measured in millimeters. Wind direction is by windsock, measured by the four directions. We have the north, south, east, and west. For the wind speed, we have the anemometer or the Beaufort scale. The cloud cover is measured by octaves and in out of 8. The visibility is by transmissometer in meters. The air pressure is by barometer in millibars. Humidity is by hygrometer in percentage. And in sunshine, we have the average hours. What is climate, in the other hand? Climate is the common average weather conditions a particular place or over a long period of time. Climate may stay for a long period of time by seasons. Seasons may change by several months, half a year. So each country may experience 4 seasons, especially if they are in the temperate zone, while most of the countries in the tropical zone experience only 2 climates, and others has 1. So what do we mean by this? Climate zone of a country. So we have different climate zones for a different place or places. If your country is in the polar region, these are regions that has experienced a very cold climate with snow for a long period of time or over the year. Countries with a temperate zones or in a temperate region experience 4 seasons. These are countries that has cold winters and mild summers. The arid places found in the arid climate zones are those places with hot and dry, mostly in the desert areas. Tropical regions, in the other hand, are those countries mostly in Asia, in Africa, and in the North America. These are countries that has 2 seasons. It's either be hot and wet, wet and dry, or hot and slightly cold or winter temperature. The Mediterranean are the countries mostly in Europe. They got mild winters and hot summers. And the mountains, these are countries that experience cold weather. Here are your activity. First, you have to list down different weather conditions of your locality or your country. Second, name and describe different climates around the world. And finally, you have to compare in your own words weather versus climate using the weather and climate T-chart. And for your final activity, I'd like you to identify if the words represent weather, so write W, or climate, then write letter C. Number 1, sunny day. Number 2, summer season. Number 3, autumn. Number 4, rainy. Number 5, day-to-day condition. And number 6, stays for a long period of time. So here are the answers. Number 1 is weather. Number 2 is climate. Number 3 is weather. Number 3 is climate. Number 4 is weather. Number 5 also weather. And number 6, climate. So that ends our lesson today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till next time. Bye everyone.